So welcome once again, YouTube. We've got this Kia Soul setting here. Came in with a check engine light on, and we're a 2009, and we've got the scanner connected to the vehicle. And what we come up with was a code for the Evap system, I believe. Let me see what that code number was. All right, so we had an Evap code here, P0441, leak somewhere, gas cap, those kind of things. And first thing you want to do is a visual test on that. So I've done that. I took it up and did a visual and didn't see anything chewed up, no wires done, any of those kind of things. So then we got to come out here to under the hood and start testing solenoids and things like that. Let's get this air filter out of here. And you could start, maybe you could do a smoke test, but I usually just start testing the solenoids and things like that and looking at them. This solenoid is buried up underneath here. And so we move that back to the side. And right down underneath here, in the back, we got to remove hose clamp. I am going to just check for vacuum. Let me see if I can zone in here really close without having to actually move my camera. Make you dizzy. All right, right underneath there, we'll grab our pliers. Move this hose clamp down here. Squeeze hose clamp. Move it back. I'm going to remove this hose in case I have to smoke it. I'm going to smoke it from here. And let's see. Let's start it up. Car's got 199,000 miles on it. And let's see here. We got vacuum on our purge valve right now. Let's unplug it and see if we still have it. Unplug it, 2-wire plug. We still have vacuum on it. So the purge valve's bad. Going to have to replace it. Okay, I'm zoomed in here a little bit, but not quite as big. And right down in there is this valve. It has a hose going to the lower intake there. One plug there. And it's on a rubber grommet. I'm trying to feel how it goes on that grommet. You can't see anything. Looks like it slides down. And we got a hose clamp there. So let's give it a shot. This clamp's in a bad direction. Well, anyway, I wanted to show you this part number real quick too while I'm at it. CP545. See if I can get down there with something a little smaller. leave it side straight down. So we got new hoses and everything, so if the hose breaks, we got a new one. I'm just going to try to pry it down through the throttle body right here. Well, got it loose from the bracket anyway. Upper hose is a little longer than I thought. Try to spin it to get it to release. Find my other pliers. All right, after it beats the heck out of you, comes with a new hose for the top. It goes to the throttle body there. There's the plug for it. And the bottom hose that comes around. And the hoses stick, so they are a little bit of a pain in the butt. I'm just feeling for the bracket. And the top part of the hose here. Okay, that's all the way up. And then, let's see here. Turn it around here so I can see the bracket down underneath there. And I don't know how they expect that to do anything, because that one is actually pointed the wrong direction. We're going to have to figure that out. Anyway, let's start it up, make sure that we don't have any vacuum flow there, which we know we do not with the new valve on there. Which we better not. No vacuum coming out of it, so we're doing well. Okay, now that we got that, we got to change this. Get this hose connected back up to it here. It looks like a little muffler on it, which is kind of weird. I use my small little angled needle nose here. And it's up. Let me look at the old. Well, if I can find the old one. Anyway, I must have thrown it out. She was connected to a little rubber piece, which I have the new one there, and I pull it up and there, slide it on it, and then plug it in electrically. Okay, we're all the way in. We got one more hose clamp up here to maneuver. Let's see if we can do that with our small needle nose too. We got our hose clamp on. We've got to get our air filter back in place. So that was obvious when it sucks vacuum and you unplug the purge valve that it's bad. Could there be a secondary problem? Yeah, absolutely. Let's turn that up. And I've seen it happen. And then it comes back to bite you and you got to do something else. So it's got the original gas cap on it. So I'm going to replace the gas cap as a precautionary measure. All right, so we need to clear our codes out and move this vehicle out, call it a fix. If you run into one with that Evap code P441, first thing to look at is the purge flow. And we're going to have to clear his codes and get rid of the light for him. And we've done that. Now our check engine light will be out. And it is. So there you have it. Our Kia Soul, which is our 2009 Evap P0441 simple repair. Check that valve first. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.